Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this pen holder using FreeCAD. Okay, so I will start in the part design. I will create a new body and a new sketch in the XZ plan. I will create a rectangle, something like this, and touch in the red line. Select this point and I hit D, and I will set the inner radius will be 50, and the length of this line will be 10. I select this line and I will set it to 200. Okay, something like this. Then I close. Now I will go to the view and toggle the axis cross to show the arrow. Now you can see my sketch is away from the center, a distance. I will select the sketch and go to the revolve. And I don't want a full revolve, I just want 20 degree. And I'm going to go to the symmetric to plane to make it in the center of the sketch. Click OK. The next step is I will fillet this edge and Control select this edge. I will fillet it. Let's go to show. Click OK. Now I will create a new sketch in the XZ plane. Zoom close here. I hit G in X and I will reference this light and then this light. Select these two lines, hit G and N to turn that into construction. I create an arc and we start from here to here. Select this arc and this line. I hit T for tangent. Select these two points and I hit D and we set the length to I will check 200 and I'm going to divide 5 because I want 5 cuts. Click OK. So if you like my content, please give me a like and subscribe, and consider supporting my channel. You can donate in coffee or PayPal through the links in the video description or the channel info. So thank you. Now I will create a rectangle. We start from here. Select this point and this point. Hit C. Now I select this line and I delete it. Select this line and I hit D and we set it to 1. Close. Now I will pocket this sketch. I will go symmetric and then through all. Click OK. Okay, now I will select the pocket. And I want to linear pattern it. So I go to the linear pattern. And I want the direction is the vertical axis. I want to flip the direction. And the mod, I want it to spacing. The spacing I want is 200 divide 5. And the number I want is 5. Click OK. Now I want to fillet it. So I will Control select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. I will fillet it. Let's go to show. Click OK. Now I can move to the part workbench. And I will select the body. I want to mirror it. So I go to the mirror. Choose the use the selected reference. And I choose this face over here. Click OK. Now I can move the mirror up. So I go to the, I select the mirror and I go to the placement, position, and the Z axis. We'll move this one up to 10. So you can move it up to the distance that you want. Now I can select the mirror and the body, and I go to Part, Compound, and Make Compound. The next step is I will remove this geometry up here and this geometry down here. I will create a new sketch in the right view, and I will toggle the section. I hit G and X, and I'm going to reference this slide, and then this slide. I toggle the section again, and I select these two lines, and hit G and N to turn that into construction. I create a line, a rectangle. Select this line and this point, hit C. This line and this point, hit C. The distance between this point and this point, I will set it to 10. Also, the same here. Then I close. I will extrude this sketch in the x-axis. We set it to 100. Now I will control select the compound first and the extrude later, and I go to intersection. Okay, next step I want to create polar pattern of this. So I select the command and I go to the workbench. And I go to the modification, array tools, and polar array. Reset point. Set this one to 9. Click OK. Now I will select the array and I go to the part workbench. And I'm going to union them together. Click on the union. Okay. Now I select the fusion and I go to the part design workbench. Select the fusion and I go to create a new body based on the fusion. Click on the OK. I select the bottom face and create a new sketch based on this face. Create a circle. And I will set the diameter to 105. Close this. Now I'm going to path this sketch up. So go to path. And I go to the reverse. And I just want to go to, and let's go to 10. Click OK. Now I can control select this edge and then this edge. And I go to fillet. 1 is okay. Click OK. Okay, now we finish modeling the pen holder. So that's it for the tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.